Mann Ki Baat, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a mass movement now, says PM Modi made a special request to citizens. Over 50 villages in Pakistan submerged in flash floods. Two persons arrested with 1 kg of heroin recovered at Khatkhati, Karbi Anglong. PM Modi addressed the nations on Mann Ki Baat and urged the citizens to use Tiranga as their profile pictures on social media website between August to 2015 as the nation celebrates the 75th year of independence. In tributes to martyrs such as Netaji, Subhash Chandra Bose and Sardar Udham Singh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said that the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav has transformed into a mass movement as people from different sections of the society are participating in it via different programs. In the 91st editions of his monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat, the Prime Minister also urged citizens to use Tiranga as their profile pictures on social media website between August to 2015 as the nation celebrates the 75th year of independence. Earlier, we have talked about so many things, share our views on myriad topics, but this time, Mann Ki Baat was very special. The reason for this was Independence Day this time, when India will complete 75 years of her independence, said PM Modi. Railgadi, our railway station campaign, which aims to make people aware of the role of India Railways in the freedom struggle. Under this, PM Modi said 75 railway stations across 24 states will be decorated as India celebrates 75 years of independence. Friends, the biggest message that emerged from all these events being organized in the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is that all of us countrymen should follow our duty with full devotion. Only then will we be able to fulfill the dream of those countless freedom fighters and to build India of their dreams, he said. That is why this Amrit Kal of our next 25 years is Kartavya Kal, a period of duty for every countryman. Jameson Teron, or National Report, Karbi News. Balochistan in particular has seen uncharacteristically heavy rains during the monsoon season this year. As many as 30 villages submerged in Sindh province in Pakistan after flash floods from Balochistan entered the province, taking the total number of drowned villages in the hilly region to 50, local media reported. As torrential rains and flash floods continued in Balochistan, the second stream of flood water entered in adjacent Kambar Sadak Kot district and the hilly region of Kacho in Dadu district, causing more losses in different areas, ARY News reported. 30 more villages in Kacho and link roads have submerged in the water as the total of drowned villages in the hilly region has reached 50, according to sources. According to ARY News, the local sources say that the people of the affected areas are forced to take refuge in hills and protective dikes to save their lives. An elderly woman of 70 years in a flood-hit village died of a health condition while failing to get medical help. Balochistan in particular has seen uncharacteristically heavy rains during the monsoon season this year. Pakistan Disaster Management Authorities on Saturday said that heavy rains and floods left 19 more dead and hundreds of others stranded in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa provinces. Jameson Teron report on flood in Pakistan, Karbi News. Two persons arrested with 1 kg of heroin recovered at Khatkhati, Karbi Anglong on 31st of July 2022. Acting on a tip-off, a special Naka was set up at MVI Point Chariali of Khatkhati Police Station, Karbi Anglong. At about 7:30 am, a vehicle bearing registration number WB74P4456 was intercepted, which was coming from Dimapur, and on being through search of the vehicle, 75 boxes of soap cases containing 966 grams, 1 kg approach heroin has been recovered. 2 persons are arrested in this regard. In this connection, Solomon Tuer of age 35, son of late Tisupenchu Tuer of Meluri Town, Phek district of Nagaland, and Simon Tuer of age 25, son of Tesomu Tuer, a resident of Molen village of Phek district, Nagaland, were arrested by the police. The drugs dealer has used a different route to avoid the regular Naka point of Khatkati PS, and consignment was supposed to be further transported through train from Bokajan. The operation was carried out by John Das APS SDPO Bokajan along with OC Khatkati SI Raju Daura, OC Bokajan Inspector Maublik Brahma, SI Rajib Bora of Khatkati PS, SI Proportioners, SCOM Rabi Gil C20, CRPF Bokajan, PS staff and APRG Camp Bokajan. Trisonic to report with camera Mong Veteran, Karbi News.